Hi everyone, I'm Victor from the faculty. Most of us are stuck at home other than ordering in. Sometimes we like to cook a batch, so we don't have to cook every day. So today I'm going to show you a batch of Parmesan baked chicken. Shout out to Dawn, who gave me this recipe years ago. First, I've actually started on it using Parmesan cheese. I bought a block of about 250 grams, grated about half of it, 125 grams. 3 packets of this I found in the supermarket. These are each about 300 grams. And I bought the fillets. Why? Because I'm lazy. They're already bite-sized, you don't have to cut. See, these are all very bite-sized. Each packet is about 2 meals or 2 portions. Have it with pasta, have it with instant noodles. It's like ready chicken. You can even have it cold. A few blocks of olive oil, probably about 2 tablespoons, but moderation. A bit low pepper, I like it a lot. Just a bit of salt to season because the cheese is salty. It's Japanese panko breadcrumbs. If it's too much breadcrumbs, a bit dry. You can always add a bit more olive oil. Simple. While you're preparing the chicken, set the oven to about 200 degrees Celsius. Later on, we'll bake it for about 20 minutes. So for now, we preheat the oven. Get a big pan, put a piece of bacon cheese inside. I'm going to kind of turn this into itself, tuck the corner piece under itself so it stays like a little ball. Make sure there's space in between. We've got leftover crumbs, cheese and crumbs. Put a bunch of it on top of each chicken because the cheese will melt down and also the crumbs will give it that extra crunch. Okay, we're ready to bake this in the oven. So like I said, I set it 200 to get it quickly warmed up. Right. So depending on your oven, it's between 200 or 180. You don't need to get too brown too quickly. For about 20 minutes and it should be delicious by then. Alright, it's ready. Let's try. Let me check if it's cooked. Taste test. There's a batch, you're going to divide it up so you don't keep opening up. And these are brand new sustainable wheat fiber lunch boxes from the art faculty. This is Cafe Monte by Fine and Hearn, Kai-Hen, local food by Aaron, because it's very popular sushi, Chinese sushi. Box, 2 boxes, and 3 boxes. So this will probably last me for about 3 to 4 or 5 days. Cooking a batch really helps, especially when working from home. You don't have so much washing to do, and you eat well. So something tasty, right? Being locked down at home doesn't mean you have to eat rubbish food. So enjoy, bake, chicken. Stay safe. We'll see you again.